Sengiphinde ngabuya-ke futhi khona-ke la ku-Big Space ney'ndaba-ke ey'thinta ezediski, iy'ndaba-ke nje ezenzeka lapha kumaqembu akwi-PSL. Lana-ke bafowethu ngiphethe-ke indaba yakhe lapha umdlali webhakabhaka uKabelo Dlamini okuney'ndaba-ke la ey'trendayo, iy'ndaba ey'velile ezimlinka nayo-ke lapha i-Kaizer Chiefs. Kuvela ukuthi-ke la uKabelo Dlamini usesayineke isivumelwano nalo-ke lapha iqembu la i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi-ke lijoyine ngawo-ke lapha uJuly. I-contract yakhe-ke yena-ke uKabelo Dlamini nayo-ke lapha i-Orlando Pirates izo-expire ngawo-ke lapha uJune. I-Orlando Pirates bingakayivuseleli i-contract yakhe yena-ke uKabelo Dlamini kuze kube manje, and amasource aveza ukuthi-ke azikho naney'ngxoxo ey'khona between iqembu naye-ke lo mdlali yena-ke uKabelo Dlamini. And sike sambona uKabelo Dlamini ukuthi-ke akayitholi-ke i-game time lapha kuyona Orlando Pirates, and ngathi akekho-ke enhlelweni zakhe vele kuwadu. So zinjalo kuvela khona ukuthi-ke usayineke i-pre-contract nawo kaMakhosi. Lezi ndaba-ke mbukelisi amahebezi ayikaconfirmwa, kusayindaba-ke nje engingasho ukuthi-ke ama-rumors ziyatrenda zivezwe ngama-journalist, kodwa-ke sinethemba ukuthi-ke makuhamba isikhathi khona-ke sokuthola sibuye-ke soku-update.
And the agent say the player is under contract. You could read that two ways, that under contract means, why are you asking us this? He's got a long time still to go. Or they're avoiding the answer, saying it's still they're avoiding saying it's still the end of the season. We spoke to Kaizer Chiefs and they say it's pure rumors. They didn't say absolute rubbish, they say it's pure rumors. We know that Sekakune has been in the media, are interested in taking him for next season. Our coach says he's been out because of injury and he's recovering and he'll be back soon. So where there's smoke, there's fire. We all know that.